Hey there, it's Ashley. Welcome back. In part 2 of our money series, we'll learn useful phrases related to the use of money. Let's get started. Is this free?
免费吗？
How much do I owe you?
我欠你多少钱？
Approximately how much is it going to cost?
大概要多少钱？
How much does this cost?
这要花费多少钱？
How much is this?
这个多少钱？
How much for one?
一个多少钱？
How much is it altogether?
一共多少钱？
How much per hour?
一个钟头多少钱？
How much does it cost per day?
一天要花费多少钱？
How much is it to go there?
到那儿路费多少钱？
We need a deposit of 300 yuan.
需要押金300元。
Could you break a large bill, please?
请帮我换成零钱。
Can you break a 100 yuan bill?
请把这100块钱破开。
May I have some 10 yuan bills?
换成10块的。
Where can I get some change?
在哪里能兑换零钱？
Could you give me some change?
您能给我换些零钱吗？
Do you have small change?
有没有零钱？
It's a bit too much for me, thank you.
太贵了，谢谢。
That's too expensive.
太贵了，
This is a little expensive.
这个有点贵。
It's too expensive, I can't afford it.
太贵了，我买不起。
Any discount?
打折吗？
Can I get a discount?
便宜一点吧。
Can you give me a discount?
再打点折扣。
Can you lower the price?
再便宜点吧。
Do you have anything cheaper?
你有便宜点的吗？
I'll pay the restaurant bill.
我来买单。
I'll pay for dinner.
我来支付餐费。
I'll pay for the tickets.
我来付票钱。
Do you have enough money?
你的钱够吗？
How are you paying?
你如何付款？
I have cash.
我有现金。
I don't have any money.
我没有钱。
Do you accept credit cards?
能用信用卡支付吗？
Your credit card is maxed out.
你的信用卡用完了。
Is Alipay okay?
支付宝可以吗？
Is WeChat Pay okay?
微信可以吗？
Keep the change.
不用找了。
You gave me the wrong change.
钱找错了。
You didn't give me enough change.
找的钱不够。
Please give me a receipt.
请给我发票。
Please provide me with an invoice or receipt.
请给我开张发票。
Where can I exchange money?
在哪儿换钱？
I'd like to exchange money.
我想换钱。
What is your exchange rate?
请问你们的兑换率是多少？
How much money do you make?
你挣多少钱？
When does the bank open?
银行什么时候开门？
My house is close to the bank.
我家在银行附近。
That's all for part 2. Join me in part 3 to learn the names of other common currencies used in China. Bye for now.